Hi everyone, welcome to Dollar General. So let's see what they have here, guys. So look at these mugs. So these Christmas mugs, they are so nice. That's the fox right there. That's the snowman. This one says a cup of cheer, merry and bright. It's mixed in with the food. Okay, I'm not bossy. I am the boss. That's really cute. And then you have some of these, and then along the top you have some Christmas stuff. So this is mixed in with their food. So let's see. So we have some tins over here. So that's Merry Christmas tin. And then they have a green one over here. That's a snowman. Then you have these tins. Let me see how much these are. These are $2.50. So they have that one, this one. I don't want to knock this down, so let's see. And look, the red truck. I love that one. Okay. So then here we have some buffalo check bowls. Those, the smaller ones are $1. The bigger ones are $3. Then we have these tin trays. And these are $1. And I think they're all the same. Yeah. Then here we have some melamine plates. There's a snowman. Then we have some more tins here. So let's see. These are real big. Okay. So these are $3 for this size. Then we have some rubber containers. These are 2 for $1. Then we have that kind right there. Let me see how much that is. That's $1 also. That's pretty neat, guys. And then you have some of these. Let's go look. So this tin right here, $1.50. And the snowman, yeah, these are all $1.50. So we have the Christmas tree, the snowman, and here's the truck. Very nice. And then they have this kind here with the gingerbread cover. That's $1. Isn't that cute? For $1. Happy holidays. And then this little one here is $1. And then these are shaped like the mailbox. Those are also $1. Here's some paper plates and napkins. Oh, and look at these. I like these. Home for the holidays. So that's really nice. Let me see. These paper plates are a nice size. So the paper plates are $2.75. Then you have Let It Snow, and cookie cutters. Okay, so then you have a set here of 25 pieces for $5. I think that's a good buy. So here's the stackable plastic. And let me see how much these are. So these are $2.50. There's the Happy Holidays in the truck. Dollar Tree has these slightly smaller for $1. Okay, this is for baking cookies. This is $5. Some cookie cutters in here. Those are $1. And you have the tumblers. Okay, and these are $2 each, and there's some frozen. And here's some mason jars. So these are $1 each. This bigger one right here is $1.50. This is my favorite one. Be Merry. I like that one. So that's $3. So if you come over here, this giftable jar, that's what it says, $2.50. Merry Christmas, blessed. Then you have this tumbler here for $5, and it also comes like that. Then this one has like the corking type feel. Dear Santa, I was framed. Be Merry. And then these are the plastic ones. You get 2, and 2 for the price of $1. All I want for Christmas is coffee. And then this one is fresh cut trees. I like these. Then some more tins, $2.50. Oh, look at that one. I can't reach up there to check to see how that is. Isn't that beautiful? That is so nice. And then you have some of these egg holders right here. And then you have some of these oven mitts. Okay, that's really nice. Then this is like a set, Let It Snow. That's for $6. And then here's a wine. What is that? Wine bottle. I mean, a bottle bag with mini hat. That's adorable. And here it is in the buffalo check. How nice. Okay, and then you have some more of those. And here's some pot holders. Here's the Christmas tree. Here's Santa. How nice. So here's Merry and Bright. Let It Snow. What does that one say? That's so nice. Home for the holidays. And here's the blue truck. So this is a 2-pack. 2 kitchen towels. Here's some doilies. So you get 2 doilies for $1. And here is a tablecloth, $8, and the door cover for $1. So you have some more pot holders over here. And then this says Merry Christmas. Let me see how much that is. $3. And then here's the wooden mason jar. Christmas is happiness, homemade. The toothpick holders, these are $1. And this is the snowman. I like these. Okay, so these are $2 a piece. So you come in this color. I think I only see them in that color. Then you have this kind. And the silver one is nice. And the gold one. So I'm loving this color charger. It's a really bright gold, but I'm really loving that. So these chargers, let me see if I can get a price. Those are $2 each. Then you have these. Have yourself a merry little Christmas. And then these look like placemats. Let's see how much those are. $2 each. They're very thin. Then you have your printed rugs. Look at that. Let's see. Merry Christmas. Santa Claus is coming to town. Aww. And let's see what this one is. That's very pretty. I like that one. Okay, so let's see what else we have here. The spiral trees over here. These are $3. These snow globes. These are $10. And here's the truck. Let's see how much that is. These are $3. Look at that one. That is so beautiful. So then we have this Joy, Hope, and Believe. And then this little one here says Noel. And then you have this one. And look at the deer. Okay, this one says Let It Snow. Let's Get Cozy. It's the Nutcracker. Okay, and I'm liking these tins with the covers. So these are $2.50. Oh, and look at this tree. Isn't that pretty? Joy, hope, love, blessings, and Merry Christmas. And they have this easel. It says Believe in the Magic of Christmas and have a holly jolly Christmas. How cute. And then this one here, Merry and Bright with the snowflake raised, $1. So then they have these, let's see. So that's $3. Let me place it here for now. Then they have this one here. That's $5 for this one. Let me show you. So this one here says Joy with the galvanized metal on the top and the bottom. $5. This one says Noel. These are so beautiful. And then this over here, Joy to the World, that's $3. Then you have some light bulb headbands over there. Let's see. Okay, and then we have some gift sets. So I'm just gonna scan those. Look at those eyelashes, $5. Then they have some mascara. These are all $5. Then, well, the brushes are 10. It's pretty neat. Okay. Isn't this adorable? I think that is so beautiful. Okay, so then we have some more of these. Here's some bath bombs for $5. Okay, so guys, thank you for coming with me to Dollar General to check out their Christmas decor, and I'll see you in the next video.